Ever wondered what the future of smartphones holds? Look no further. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 unfolds a whole new world of possibilities. Let's dive in and see if it's the foldable phone you've been waiting for. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is set to hit shelves on July 24, 2024, marking a significant step forward in foldable phone technology. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of its features. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Z Fold 6 boasts a sleek design with a slim 5.6mm profile when folded. Coming in at 239G, it's surprisingly lightweight for a foldable. The phone features a durable build with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and back, folded, and an enhanced armor aluminum frame for better drop and scratch resistance. An IP48 water resistance rating provides peace of mind against splashes and accidental dips. This 7.6-inch AMOLED panel boasts a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for a buttery smooth user experience. With a peak brightness of 2600 nits, the display shines even in bright sunlight. The cover display, while smaller at 6.3 inches, is no slouch either. It utilizes the same AMOLED technology with a 120 Hz refresh rate for seamless navigation when the phone is folded. Now let's talk about the performance. Powering the Z Fold 6 is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring top-notch performance for demanding tasks and games. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM, the phone should handle multitasking and heavy apps with ease. Storage options range from 256 GB to a whopping 1 TB, eliminating storage concerns for most users. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Z Fold 6 packs a triple camera system on the back, featuring a 50MP main sensor, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor. This versatile setup allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in various scenarios. The under-display selfie camera comes in at 4MP, while the cover display houses a 10MP sensor for convenient selfies when the phone is folded. Now let's talk about battery and charging. The Z Fold 6 houses a 4,400 mAh battery, which should provide enough juice to last a full day for most users. While not the fastest, 25W wired charging ensures you can quickly top up the battery when needed. The phone also supports 15W wireless charging and 4.5W reverse wireless charging for powering up your other devices. Now let's talk about the software. The Z Fold 6 runs on the latest Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1.1 on top. This software offers a plethora of customization options and features optimized for the foldable form factor, making the most of the large display. Now let's talk about the special features. The Z Fold 6 boasts S Pen support, allowing you to take notes, draw, and interact with the phone in a more natural way. Additionally, the phone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking and an under-display camera for a truly immersive viewing experience. Now let's talk about the price. And the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at a hefty $1,899.99, making it a premium device. However, for those seeking the cutting edge in foldable technology, the Z Fold 6 offers a compelling package with its large, high-quality displays, powerful performance, versatile cameras, and S Pen support. So, did the Z Fold 6 unfold your desire for a foldable phone? Let me know in the comments below what you think. And while you're there, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews to see what unfolds next.